Hello everyone. Right, I came into a problem where I used a GoPro to record some stuff. I'm using the 9, but I'm pretty sure the 10 and the other versions are pretty much the same. So, um, recorded some stuff yesterday, recorded some stuff the day before and the day before, etc., etc. But when I came to use it, I got quite well, I don't know, so what's the right word to say? But it wasn't something I wanted to see on the file system. Anyway, so I've taken out the memory stick, put it in my Mac here, and just wanted to show you on my Mac when I open up the folder and go to the DCIM, which is where the GoPro files are recorded. You can see you got all the files named like this. So you think, yeah, fine, just gonna take it as got nice number sequence. So you click on file 1, and you see, for example, the footage, and it's coming up. You're doing some stuff, and then you see file 2, and that is not the same continuation of file number 1. So it looks like the one before it or after it. File number 3 is a completely different thing. Has nothing to do with any of it. File number 4, somewhere else, and you wonder what is going on. So to be honest, I had a Google, searched and did lots of stuff around, and I managed to find the GoPro, naming convention. I don't honestly know what the guy. Let me just explain what's going on first to begin with. So it looks like, looking at this from the GoPro information, that you got the XXXX, which is the file. The file number in here, so start 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., etc. And then here, 0, 1, 0, 2, etc. These two will have the chapter number. So if you record, it becomes 1. You close, you record again, it becomes 2, etc. And that 0, 1 should be right at the end of the file, not at the beginning. So if you are recording, for example, file number 1, you'd expect 0001 and then 01 for the chapter and then 02 for the chapter on that. But what they've done, they kind of done it in reverse. I don't honestly know the GoPro guy who was responsible for the file name. What was he drinking? Or they drinking? I have no idea what was it. But I've just done something to fix that, and hopefully you might like my fix, and you might, it just saves you so much time, and it's a really, really simple fix. So let's just take that out away and now going into the fix that I've actually done. The fix is available online. It's a very, very simple fix. It's open source. You can see exactly what's happening. There's no trojans and executables and all that kind of stuff in there. What it is basically, the link I put in the description. So the github.com/Heider Sati, my name, /GoPro file name fix. You go there, you download that. Or you look into that, and then the description I try to describe as much as I can on it. Basically what it is, you all you need to do is that script. That's all to it. And the script basically will take the file name, it will take the first 2 digits after the GH, and then we'll move them right at the end. So what the script does is just basically rename the file, and in either not to confuse with things, it will call the file new underscore whatever file, old file you had, so it doesn't, when you run it twice, it doesn't really kind of do a mess. So without further ado, so if I copy that script, and if I go to terminal in here, I'll show you exactly what's happening. Yeah, there we go. So on terminal, I would just go to any folder if you like, or let me just, I'll just do it on the where the SD card is. So in terminal, usually on a MacBook Pro, you would have the thing going into volumes, and then the memory stick will be untitled based on this memory stick in here, and you would see your stuff in here. So DISC is where you want to be. Sorry, DCIM. I beg your pardon, DCIM, and you've got the date, and sorry, there's your files. So we're only going to work on the MP4 at the moment. I can do the others. Well, I'll probably do the others anyway now. But I just want to show you how easy this is. So I'm just going to create a new file. So VI, let's just call it, let's just follow the guide instruction as per what's the say. So I'm just going to call GoPro file fix, and I'm just going to do that here. Or you can do it in a text editor if you like. This either way, it's not a problem. Press A, capital A, and now you have the thing in insert mode, and then you just go into paste. So paste it. Oh no, sorry, paste the content, not the file name. So we'll just do this, copy, and then paste. So now we have the whole thing in there, literally as simple as that. And then chmod 755 to make it executable, so the GoPro file fix. So now, if you see, we have this file which will fix the script. I would do the extra mile, well I already did, copy it to a different folder and then put a path in it, but that's a more advanced for users. We're not going to touch on that. So right now we're just going to do go pro file fix, so GoPro file fix, and we will just do a star or do a gh star dot mp4, which basically means anything starts with gh and ends with mp4, and that's pretty much it. So if I just click enter in here, now you can see the script, what it does. It takes this file and then now produce this file now here. So now we kind of renamed all the files of mp4 into the new mp4 files, and that's on the memory stick itself. I wouldn't worry too much about what GoPro is going to make out of it, because you're not really going to watch in the GoPro. I haven't even tried that anyway, but GoPro will keep recording things starting with GH, so it shouldn't really conflict with this new underscore GH. So now, if I go into the folder again and look into the file, so let's look into the MP4, so we go here. So now we have this file, and this is the other video. So here we have, so now we can see that nicely. So the file starts there, you know, that's me playing the piano, and then continues on to the next file. So exactly what we want it to be. And you can see that here, all the chapters of the one recording or one scene kind of pretty much into one big group. So it can basically, you know, without having to do anything else, just, you know, like you wanted to copy just the files, you just select the group into whatever, you know, you want to edit it on. So for example, if I wanted to do editing now, I would just go drag all those into my you know, editor. I use DaVinci, I love it, and really simple. It's all kind of numeric fix, and you can just take the whole thing and just let's just take that whole thing and chuck it in there, and you got a nice sequence. So you can see that here, so the one before, the one after, and it carries on. Next bit here. Yeah. So I hope that fix you know, helps you out, and it is an annoying problem. Also, to let you know, you could also do this on not just the MP4 bits, you can also do this on the other bits. So for example, gl.something.lrv, you can just do the same, exactly the same. So let's just do it on this .thm bit. So I'm just going to back to my Unix, to my shell, and I'll also repeat this for this gh underscore something.thm. So if I do gh thm, same way, now rename the whole thing. So now the whole thing is renamed, and now you can see the MP4 is now following their icons. These are THM, these are the thumbnail files, which are basically icons. So it's a short video, about 10 minutes. I hope that helps you out to fix your GoPro file naming convention. If there is any problem, give me a shout, or something you need to know more about, just, you know, by all means, you know, shout if you need. I've done this for a MacBook, I've tested it, works fine. It also should work for any Linux environment. If you guys need anything for PC, like Batch or Windows, I can also do that. Just give me a shout and I'll add it to my GitHub page. So, thank you very much, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.